By default, your Bible uses horizontal scrolling. You can change this to vertical. And that's the one that I prefer. Under the settings icon, you can also change other things to just make your Bible personal according to your preferences. You can change the font size to make it bigger or smaller. Your theme changes how your app looks. On default, the app follows your iPhone settings when you switch between light and dark mode. Black and dark both give you a dark background regardless of what mode your iPhone is using. We'll just use the default one because I like switching depending on the time of the day. You can also change the font and the app supports a lot of them. Advanced settings give you more control over how your Bible looks in the Olive Tree Bible. There is one setting I want us to focus on in this video, which is colors. Let's change the words of Jesus Christ. I prefer them red. The app has some presets, but you can also customize the colors to make them exactly what you want. I want this on all the windows in the app. And we'll focus on windows a bit later. I also want to change the hyperlink color to make it blue. Now my hyperlinks are blue. But I want Jesus' words brighter. My color is not bright enough, so I have to change that again real quick. I'm now happy with that. And with these basic settings, you should be able to get started in a comfortable way. We'll cover the more complex settings throughout this course as they become relevant. These 3 lessons have covered the basics of what you need to do before you can really start studying your Bible in the Olive Tree Bible app.